Welcome. Let's explore the MPN automation feature in Powerlink 3.8, showcasing automatic MPN assignment for new parts. First, I'll demonstrate how it functions for a single part in the Powerlink inventory when dealing with new parts. When we introduce any new parts, I'll randomly add some here. Upon selecting a region and part, the reference number field automatically populates with MPNs retrieved from Solera. Here, 2 MPNs appear for this part. You can modify the part if needed. For example, I can remove a second number and save by hitting Apply, storing the new part with the MPN number. If there's an existing part and the MPN seems off, use the Reset MPNs button. You'll still retrieve MPNs from Solera and, if desired, reset to the original data source MPN. This outlines MPN automation for both new and existing single parts. Bulk maintenance is also available. This allows MPNs to populate across existing inventories in bulk. Under Action, select Reset MPNs from OEM and search parts. For instance, searching locations A through E reveals many parts, allowing us to modify them. Hold Shift to select multiple items, then choose to reset empty reference number fields only or overwrite existing reference number data. For now, we'll choose to reset empty reference number fields only. Then, hit Proceed to apply changes. The result shows 9 parts updated successfully, with 2 parts lacking MPNs in our data source. Let's explore another feature by selecting parts with and without MPNs, opting to overwrite existing reference number data only, then proceed change. This shows 4 parts successfully populated MPN, while 5 parts either lacked an MPN or already had one, so no update was made. That's the MPN automation process.